Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So, I know it has been about 6 months and some change since I posted or uploaded a video. I know, there has been a tremendous amount of things going on, good and bad, but that's life. So I'm gonna start with what's going on in the shop and just keep it very, very simple for this video. I'm trying to get myself back into, I guess, like a kind of comfort with posting and recording because I haven't been posting anything, as you guys have seen. So starting at the top, we got the KTM. She's still running fine. I was out with a group of guys and looped her, so I need to get a rear fender. I need to bend this exhaust back. As you can see, she's tweaked up. But for the most part, she's good. I got to do fork seals and a couple odds and ends. She's got new radiators and whatnot, but we'll get into her in another video. Down here, we got the same 50 I've always had, but the motor locked up, the 88 kit one, and I threw the 108 stroker motor on here. This thing is just a powerhouse. That 108 stroker motor is something else. I had it with the little 20 millimeter carb, and now I got the 26 millimeter Makuni. Whew, she is a beast. Over here, I got my buddy CRF 110. As you can see, she's seen better days. She came in for a shift shaft replacement, which is common with these bikes. I'm gonna be replacing the shaft, bracing it. We needed to replace 2 pins in the gear drum, like the shift drum. Replace those. We're going to be replacing the right side clutch case because the previous one had a hole in it that was leaking. And yeah, fork seals, dust seals, and I think a headlight. Guy came here, the bike had 1 bolt holding on the foot peg assembly. So yeah, she definitely seen better days, but I'm going to get her all straightened out. Then we have the 125, which I'm going to apologize now. I'm sorry for not posting all the content that I had. I still have a lot of content for the build, but things just, like I said, things just got like pretty hectic and stuff. Not like crazy, like nobody died or anything like that. It's just life in general, bills, work, and lack thereof sometimes. It gets hard to post and stuff like that. You know, there's a lot of guys out there that are YouTubers and they're so consistent when they're posting and stuff like that, but they also probably aren't struggling the same way. But in short, life happens. I'm going to get it together, and piece by piece I'm going to let you guys in on what went on, how it went on, and where we are. Oh, and let's not forget, we got another little fitty over here. This one is just getting a tune-up. It was pretty much a spare parts build from my buddy. What else do we got? We got the A-arm assembly for a 400EX, which we got as a flip project, me and 2 other friends. She just needs to be painted up and reassembled, you know, a couple odds and ends. We got a Water 350. We got a Warrior 350 that, again, another project for a friend, needs a couple odds and ends, but once everything's in, she'll be up, and yeah, we can get everything good. I'm not gonna lie, I've been slacking a shit ton in so many areas, not just YouTube. I've been slacking like working, I've been slacking like as a dad, I've been just slacking overall. I've been letting a lot of the stress and the dramas that come with life. I'm not going to sit here and make any excuses. I've been letting a lot of stress and dramas get to me, and it's been affecting my work life. It's been affecting everything pretty much. And I wanted to come out here and film this to kind of kick myself in the ass and say, you know, do something, get up, get it done. Shit happens, life sucks. We need to move. So that's what I'm doing. I'm moving. I just figured I'd post a quick 5-minute video showing you guys, I guess, you know, the shop, what's going on with the bikes, letting you guys know exactly how much you really missed out on in a way. But I'm going to try to jump right back on and get back into the comfort of recording and posting. I have over 2 terabytes of like riding footage that I got for you guys. That stuff will be going up periodically. I am going to actually look into someone who edits, like someone who does it, and if I could throw them a couple bucks or whatever to get some of this content out, then so be it. But other than that, as you guys all know, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button, check out my other videos. I haven't been uploading, so I'm not gonna say like, woo, things are crazy and content's flourishing. It's not. I'm trying to get back on. I know I got a lot of people out there that are like, what the hell happened to him? Like, what's going on? I'm fine. Things are all right. I'm just putting pieces back together after a catastrophe, pretty much. It's like an explosion happened. I'm trying to put pieces back together, but they are going back together. You know, with time and dedication, things will be all right. So on that note, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave that in the comments section, and I will see you guys in the next one.